As the world develops so fast, have you ever imagined what would happen in the future? What about the probable future in 2050? The year 2050 might be the year that is driven by new technology, and the space industry will have great development. But at the same time, it will be the year with political chaos. In 2050, the smart technology will be popular all around the world, that is dominated by artificial intelligence. A lot of people have work more flexible, and there will be lots of new jobs created related to virtual realities. Besides, robots will do most of the manual jobs in many places such as restaurants and factories. People will use robots to do houseworks and take care of the elderly, patients, and babies. Robots might have emotion and feeling, and they will take care of feeling of people. With the development of artificial intelligence, people can control their home setting even they go out. AI will be applicable in the house for human being, and with one control panel, people can get access to lighting, air conditioning, and many other home devices and monitor the home setting of their house. In addition, in 2050, human beings finally have the chance of exploring other planets. For instance, it could be possible that human beings might exploit the resources from other planets and use those resources to construct the world. In addition, human beings also set up the plan to immigrate to other planets such as Mars. However, as the climate change so fast, global warming and air pollution will continue to threaten the lives of human beings. The ice on the Arctic will be greatly melting, and a lot of Arctic animals such as polar bear and penguins will disappear. Besides, the Cold War between the USA and China might continue, and there are many political conflicts all around the world. Because of the economic reasons, the world will fall into the state of chaos, and there is a new round of striving for resources due to the increasing of population crisis. Wild card will alter the change of social structure and the future of 2050. The current COVID-19 will greatly reduce the population in the world, which means in 2050 more robots will be used to replace human beings. The positive effects for the wild card is that human beings will work more on life science and develop a different vacancy to fight against the spread of the pandemic in the future. In 2050, the AI will be used in the medical system to help people to deal with different kinds of pandemic. In the future, people might connect with doctors by means of virtual, and they do not need to go to the hospital necessarily. After a diagnosis, all the medicine will be delivered to the house of patients instantly. However, COVID-19 will place the world into the continuous economic recession, and the world also develop new order. The political turmoils led by economic recession all around the world in 2050 might reach a peak. After the COVID-19, more conflicts between China and the USA will occur, and it is possible that more factories will move to Southeast Asia, and the new world manufacturing factory will already be formed in Southeast Asia in 2050. More people begin to think, starting to move the planet to escape different kinds of the pandemic in the future. What and how will the world change in 2050? Will the forecast be realized? Let's wait and see.